news about Jesus has gone to John chapter 1 from verse 19 to verse 34. John get things ready for Jesus. One time, the Jew leader them sent some priests and some of them were help take care of God's house from out of Jerusalem for question John. Them send them for ask him say, who you? When John answer them, him take the chance to tell them about God boy picnic. He no hold back the truth, but tell them plain and straight say, me are not the Christ. So them ask him say, then who you then? Elijah? John say, no, me are not Elijah. So you are the prophet? But John tell them say, no. So who you then? Them ask. Just tell me so we can get to tell the people them we send we to come find out. Who you say you be? So John used something where prophet Isaiah say to tell them who him be. Him say, me are the somebody we are shouting at the desert. Make the track where him fi walk pan straight. Now the Pharisee them did send some of them own people for question John too. Hear what them said to him. So, if you are not the Christ, and if you are not Elijah or the prophet, what make you baptize people then? So John answered them say, me baptize you in a water, but somebody them amongst you where you don't know about. Me not even good enough to pull the trap them pan him slippers. He might go pick up after me left and gone. Now, all of them sit me happen. Which part John did baptize people. The place they name Bethany, and it did depend on the east side of River Jordan. Jesus a God baby sheep. The next day, John see Jesus a walk come which part him there. Him see him and say, no look, see God baby sheep there. Him are the one we are going to mash up and take away sin from out of the world. Him said one minute I talk about when you did hear me say, one man a come after me. Him way bigger and better than me. Because him did debut from way before me born. Me no know who that somebody there would be. My uncle come here and baptize people so that them we in Israel could have get to see and know who him. Then John start talk and tell the people them say, me see the spirit come down out of heaven just like a one dove and it land upon him. As me did say, me know who this man would have did be. But you see the one who send me for baptize people, him did tell me say, the somebody where you baptize and where you see the spirit come down and land pan, him are the one we're going to baptize people in the Holy Spirit. Me see this here happen with me one or two year them, and me a tell you no say, that man ya, him a God boy picnic. And Gad Wod Dis, thank God.